Affiliate marketing niches: how to find the most profitable niches to build a successful affiliate marketing business. This video looks at why choosing the right niche is the key to your affiliate marketing success. It's the first of 2 videos about affiliate marketing niches. Video 2 looks at finding the best affiliate marketing niches and avoiding the worst. Let's get started. How do you find the most profitable niches to build a successful affiliate marketing business? Why are niches the key to your affiliate marketing success? First, what are affiliate marketing niches? Think of affiliate marketing niches as slices of a larger market. When starting affiliate marketing, choosing smaller niches is the best way to make money online. Smaller niches are less competitive than a large market. They are often called sub-niches or, if very small, micro-niches. How do you find the most profitable niches? You start broad and then drill down. For example, golf is a large, broad market. But it's also highly competitive. Only big companies with matching budgets compete in broad markets. They are interested in branding. They want their name and brand to be recognized. That's because many people buy products based purely on the brand name. They don't mind paying more, because they are buying the brand. One of the best examples of this is the Apple iPhone. Many fans of the iPhone upgrade every time a new model comes out. Price is irrelevant. They want the latest model, with the latest features. Branding requires a big budget, especially in a very competitive market. Why promoting smaller sub-niches and micro-niches is the key to your affiliate marketing success. As an affiliate marketer, your number one goal is making easy sales. It's not about competing for exposure with big brands. Big brands compete in popular, broad markets like golf, tennis, or cars. They want to be seen and known in the marketplace because this brings in thousands of new customers and sales over time. However, as an affiliate marketer, it's a waste of time, energy, and money to make branding your number one goal. Your goal is driving sales and making money. So what can you do? You can piggyback on the branding of large companies by promoting smaller sub-niches and micro-niches. This is called focused marketing. It's aimed at a small group of potential buyers, with specific buying interests. For example, instead of competing in a very broad and competitive market like golf, choose a sub-niche like golf clubs, golf shoes, golf balls, golf coaching programs, swing doctors, or golf vacations in the US. Many sub-niches are still very competitive but are less competitive than the broader market. Golf clubs is a smaller, targeted niche within the broad golf market. People who want to buy a new golf club don't search for golf. That's too general. What they search for is golf clubs. Most likely, they already know the brand they want. As an affiliate marketer, you could focus on a sub-niche and become an expert. For example, in the golf market, 3 well-known golf sub-niches are: Cleveland golf clubs are best for a short game. Titleist golf clubs are best for mid to low handicaps. Callaway golf clubs are best for the average golfer. Apply this principle to other markets that you are interested in. Find smaller sub-niches and micro-niches to promote. Final thoughts. Your success as an affiliate marketer depends on the niche, sub-niche, or micro-niche you choose to promote. The secret is a happy mix of demand and competition. In other words, people want to buy what you are promoting, but the competition is smaller. In another video, we cover how to find the best affiliate marketing niches and avoid the worst. Check it out. Please like this video and subscribe for more.